Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on Ripple. We will take a look at the 4-hour time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 4-hour in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 4 hours. So while this here may look like a couple of months worth of time, it's actually just the past few weeks broken down into 4-hour time slices. I like to this time frame. I think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I've done this analysis several times in the past. I don't remember quite the last time I did it, but regardless, that is where that green line is coming from, and that segues into the key thing that's occurring right now. And I say right now because remember, crypto markets are open 24/7. So no matter when you watch this video, if it's 5 hours from now, 15 hours from now, or whatever, the big question you need to ask yourself is, well, where does the price stand relative to 45 cents? And 45 cents is what this green line here is referencing, because that's a key and important area of support. You know, after this nice move here, and when the bears did try to press it back downwards, right there at 45 cents is where the bull stepped in and said, no, you're not going to push it down any further. So you fast forward to now what's occurring, and actually the bears have technically broken down below it. You can see right now the price is slightly below it. But the thing with supports and resistances, you have to remember, they're not exact specific prices. There is a range element associated with them. So I'm still considering the price within the range of this 45-cent mark. However, like I said, if you're watching this video, let's say 15 hours from now, and the price is separated further to the downside, well, at that point, you know, this right here is an official break. And not only are the bears taking control, they're gaining that much more control and momentum, you know, since the last time since currently right now as I record this video. So definitely, if you haven't connected those dots, 45 cents, very important. Of course, on the flip side, if you're watching this 15 hours from now and the price is now bounced up to, let's say, 47, well then, hey, there's still more work to be done. But at that point, it would appear that this current bleeding has stopped. And I realize I'm kind of stating the obvious because, yeah, over the past essentially 24 hours, right, all across cryptocurrencies, there's been quite a bit of bleeding session that has occurred. So right now, across the board, no matter what crypto you're really looking at, the big question essentially has turned into, where are things going to stabilize, where are things going to start to, potentially bottom out. And yeah, right now there is some sideways action here, but again, is that truly some sort of bottom forming, or is this just some sort of temporary break before, the bears resume their push downwards? Only time will tell. But yeah, like I said, no matter when you're watching this video, top priority, top question to ask yourself is, where do things stand relative to 45 cents? As far as levels of resistance, I'm not even going to touch on those because in my opinion, the big thing right now is not necessarily breaking levels of resistance or anything. It's all about, stabilizing and trying to chip away and, at least get some sideways price action. So yeah, the next 24 hours should be pretty interesting. Let's see if the price can maintain around 45 cents or not. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.